Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be opening up this parcel. Should be a fairly big one, so yeah, it'll be a pretty exciting video, hopefully. So yeah, I'll just get that to stay there, sweet. So open up the bag. Looks like it might have a small enclosure inside it. Oh no, a basket. It's fragile. This is different. Yeah, here we've got a basket. That's pretty cool. Alright, so there we go. Bubble wrap, that's always fun. Had a bit of fun. Now let's have a suss what's inside. So, we got 3 proserpine slings, Phlogius proserpines. So that's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. And we have 3 wood scorpions. I forgot the scientific name for them. I think it's pronounced Phlogius squama. That's for the wood scorpions. Got some Teflon. No, what's it called? Yeah, fluon. So liquid Teflon. Set up in syringes. Pretty cool. Right. Some more bubble wrap. And we got some bigger containers. What are these? A Namea species, 40 millimeters. Where are you? Hey? Oh, there it is on the side there. It's hiding underneath its name tag, but it's just in there. Alright, we'll have a look at that soon. Male king cricket. Female king cricket. Nice. See a head in there. Oh, you can't really on the camera. Yeah, there we go. See its eyes? Or eye there. So yeah, that's cool. Male rainforest scorpion. Former species. And the female rainforest former species. They're sub-adults. Another female sub-adult Homerus species. baby black rocks, 10 of them, plus 2. So he's gone and chucked in 2 freebies as well. The other male rainforest scorpion, so I've got 2 pairs. Excuse me. And then I've got 2 hahn strennuses. Phlogius hahn strennus. And what is this? Oh yeah. And this is a springtail culture. What about this? So yeah, it's nice and moist in there. Got some charcoal. And some springtails. I'll just let them keep growing their colony. Probably won't touch them too soon. Because the guy I got him off, he was trying to get his colony to reboom as it is, and me and at least someone else was hounding him to get some springtails as soon as we could to try and make bioactive setups. So he must have done the best he could. Might let him sit in the corner and wait a bit to do my setups. Just get the setup set up first and then seed them with springtails later on. Let's have a look. Yeah, see, I don't even know what I'm looking for just yet. But can't really see much in there. So that's cool. Okay, so I'm going to start with housing my tarantula slings. Do the proserpines first. And these are fast little guys, so you gotta be really careful they don't leg it. It's right on the bottom. Cool. And there he is. Alright, so I'm going to chuck him in. Up there is a proserpine. Second Phlogius proserpine. It's just chilling on top there. Yeah, you get above. Whoa. This moves crazy fast. I just scared it and I was legging it right around the container. Might do it again there. No, he's like, I'm hiding. Next up, we have 2 hahn strennuses. Right at the bottom too. So there's hahn strennus 1 of 2. And you get budding, mate. Yep, you go. Sweet. Yeah, these are new containers. I couldn't get the other ones that I was getting. They ran out of stock. So I have to stock up when they get more, I reckon. It looks cool, that one. Hahn strennus. And then the last tarantula. Another hahn strennus. Looking pretty cool as well. Yeah, they run up your arms fast sometimes. Just scared of them running away. But that is in there. Sweet. Alright, so we'll pause it and get the next animals ready. Alright, I didn't realise these were going to be so small. But yeah, we've got some wood scorpions in there. Wait, get back over here, we want to see you, mate. Yeah, it's tiny, a little wood scorpion. I've got 3 of them, so that's probably all I'll really show though. I'm going to lose them otherwise. Get there, mate. I was trying to find this other one, they blend into the dirt. Good fun. Can't see it in there, but it was definitely in there. Wrong container, that was the one that had 1 in it. And this is the one that has 2. And there's one. See its tail. Yep, there's another. Now this is juggling and a half. I didn't expect the different to be so tiny, you can barely see it. That's the one I wanted to keep right there with my other one, so that's why I was trying to separate that first one. You can get in there. Go on, off you get. Sweet. So we've got two of them in here somewhere. And there's one right there. He's just gone straight down under the dirt by the looks. Yep. Alright. Interesting. Alright, so I'm going to house my sub-adult rainforest scorpion pair as well now. So we have the male and we have a female. Look at the male first. Still going to put some rocks and stuff in here for him, but that can be done later. Come here, boy. What are you doing? You're a big gnarly looking creature, aren't you? Yeah, cool they are though. I like these ones. Pretty docile. Not even putting his stinger up. Yeah, mate, you can go in there. So that's the male. And here's the female. A bit shorter and stockier. Come here, Gil. And she climbs straight out as well. Get off my hand. Yep. Get out of the rain. Go on. Yeah, you're drenched now. Oh, he's crazy. So you can tell the difference pretty easy. Long and skinny, that's the male over here. And short and stocky, and that's the female. There's also other ways of telling the difference, looking at their underside and stuff. Alright, king cricket time. Got a male and a female. Hopefully gonna start breeding them eventually. Let's look at the male first. One with the big jaws. Yep, we'll take all that. It can just go in there. There we go. Male king cricket. There you go now, buddy. Whoa. They do look pretty gnarly. Listen to it. You can jump pretty good. Looks like a robot. There's the female. Oh, you bigger, are you? Fuck, you have some spiky legs. It's a female king cricket. Apparently they can bite, but don't want to find out. Are you lively, mate? You're alive, yeah. Sweet, because your male buddy seems a lot more lively than you do. Can you jump? Check out the face on that. Don't you want to just give him a kiss? One of them faces only his mother could probably love, I'd say. No, it's pretty cool though. And yeah, like, that's his jaws there. I don't know how it works, but apparently they give a pretty mean bite, these ones. And the males have the larger jaws. So yeah, I might put him back down now. Go on, mate, off you get. I said get off, cunt. Go on, off you get, jump. You jumped fine before. No, he's attached. Right, what about this then? There we go, he's off. Yeah, no, I had to hold him, mate. It's exciting. And there's the male, and there's the female. She's got an egg layer on the back of her, the big spot. Hidden in the sphagnum moss at the moment. But yeah, pretty cool. Now for my wishbone spider, red-legged wishbone spider. Namea species. So it's just down here in the corner, mate. And there it is. You can see the red legs in there. So, I don't really want to get bitten by it. So I'll just drop them in there like that. Go on out you get. Pretty cool. Huh, that's fast. Whoa, he's out. So they can climb as well, apparently. Come here, wishbone. Whoa. It's going alright so far. Just gonna get you back in there. Cheers, mate. Alright, we want to have a look at you too. Yep, pretty cool. Alright, let's get the lid on. Now I've got 12 black rock scorpling, and they're all in here, all 12 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably just give you a look at them, Well, I've already got videos of unboxing 12 or so, or yeah, 10 or 12 of these, and also a feeding video. So I might just skip the rest of it and just show you the new additions. These will also be available to buy. So if you want to hit me up, I'm selling them for $10 each in a setup. And you can message Nathaniel Nathan, that's my Facebook. So just go on Facebook and inbox me there. So yeah, that's Nathaniel Nathan, you should be able to find me. But look at them all, they're tiny, but they're so cool. They're slowly getting bigger. They would have been born at the same time I got the last lot, so they're all growing with each other around the same time. Getting real dark. I've actually got most of these lined up for sale already, so I'm gonna have to get a new lot. Unfortunately, I didn't realise it'd be such high demand. But anyways, I'm just gonna call it there, end the video. So thanks for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel. Take it easy.